Kubor nakaslem jong Nongstoin Hima.
Subclause 1, read with Rule 166 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rule 1951. I declare that Dr. Jerusalem Yao Yao of the Voice of the People Party has been duly elected to fill the seat allotted to constituency number 27, Nongstoin District Council constituency of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Counting of votes for 27 Nongstoin District Council constituency. At the end of the final round, the number of votes secured by the winning candidate, Dr. Jerusalem Yao Yao, is 16,928, which includes 413 number of postal ballots. The runners-up is Director Maharaj from the National People's Party, securing 8,210.